Hi again, this is attorney Robert Flesses. Today let's talk about how to prepare yourself for a divorce and attorney's fees. But before we begin, if you like my videos and the legal information that I provide, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, I'd love to receive suggestions from you for future legal topics that you'd like me to discuss on my channel. Put them in the comments below. Before you hire a lawyer to represent you in a divorce, you first want to consider the issues that may arise in your case. This is going to help you find the right attorney to represent you and also give you an idea of the difficulties that can either reduce or increase your legal fees. Now consider these issues. The most common issue is the division of personal property, like furniture, vehicles, retirement, and bank accounts. How do you intend to divide these items? Many people that are ready to divorce have usually divided their furniture and vehicles in advance. However, retirement accounts should be left to the attorneys to work out because the mutual consent of the parties is required, and there could be tax implications when dividing retirement accounts, and there's ways to divide that type of property without incurring any tax liability. Another issue involves minor children. Decisions regarding custody and placement also come into play. Custody is usually divided equally, so both parents have a say in the future of their children. Placement involves the time periods that each parent will have their children in their respective home. But before you get divorced, you'll want to think about how placement will work with future events like vacations, holidays, birthdays, college, religion, summer school recess, and other events. Another big issue, how will certain costs be paid by the parents for things like health care co-pays, school supplies, clothing, school activities, driver's education in the future, vehicles, college tuition, and the list just goes on. You should think hard about what the future is going to bring to you, especially if you have young children. Sometimes it's not a bad idea to ask friends or family with older children about the expenses that they've incurred raising their kids. They don't have to be going through a divorce to tell you that information. After you've considered the divorce issues, then you'll have a good idea as to what may become contentious in your divorce. This is what you'll want to discuss with the attorney that you select. Don't ever assume that things will go smooth, but it's a good idea to at least try, if you can, to discuss these issues with your soon-to-be ex-spouse. So let's talk about attorney's fees. Most attorneys will charge you by the hour, and attorneys with legal staff may cost more due to their operating costs. Small firms or sole practitioners may not have large operating expenses and may be able to provide you with a better hourly rate. Some attorneys will charge you a flat fee for each stage of the divorce. For example, a flat fee will be charged for preparing and filing the divorce papers with the court. They may charge a separate fee for any motions that need to be heard on issues that can't be resolved. And they may quote a flat fee to prepare the settlement agreements and appearance at the final divorce hearing. Make sure you hire an attorney that's experienced in divorce and family law. Make appointments to talk to at least 2 or 3 attorneys to learn about their fee structure and even to see if you think you'll be able to work with them. Hourly rates could get costly. An experienced divorce attorney will usually be able to ballpark the cost based upon the issues that you specify. Complicated divorces obviously occur when the parties have lots of investments, vehicles, an expensive home or homes, life insurance, and more, which will be more costly in fees, but use of an attorney in that case is highly recommended. If you have very few assets, no retirement accounts, no real estate, no children, those types of divorces can usually be done without an attorney. The point I'm making is to prepare yourself for a divorce before filing. Those who do will find their divorce to be orderly and efficient. Hey, I've got a bunch of more videos with a lot of different legal topics on my channel. Consider subscribing. I'm attorney Robert Flesses, and thanks for watching.